Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, you'll need to navigate to a specific settings page that controls your search preferences. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com/preferences and press enter. This will take you directly to Google's search settings page, which is where you can customize various aspects of how Google search works for you. After the page loads, you'll see several categories on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Other Settings and click on it. This section contains additional customization options that aren't immediately visible in the main settings categories. It's where Google keeps some of the more specific features you can control. Now, within the Other Settings section, you'll see various options related to how search results and suggestions appear. Scroll through until you find the option that says Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This feature is what causes Google to show you popular or trending search terms when you start typing in the search bar. While this can be helpful for discovering what others are searching for, many users prefer to turn it off for a cleaner, more personalized search experience. Next to the Autocomplete with Trending Searches option, you'll notice a toggle button. This is the switch that controls whether this feature is active or not. Simply click on the toggle button to turn it off. When you do this, the toggle should change position or color to indicate that trending searches are now disabled. This means that from now on, when you type in Google's search bar, you'll only see suggestions based on your own search history and common searches rather than what's currently trending across the internet. And that's it. You've successfully turned off trending searches on Google Chrome, giving you a more streamlined search experience without the distraction of trending topics. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.